Hey guys, Jacob from Marinemax. Today I want to show you Nauticstar's 227 XTS, their bay version boat. As you can see, this is a low gunnel sided boat. Great for bay, inshore fishing, minimal offshore fishing. Even if you needed a boat for entertainment, for the island, sandbar, just luxury cruising around, this is a great option. Let's get up in there, I'll show you a little bit more about it. And now that we're up here on the aft section of the boat, I just want you to notice that I'm sitting here on a flip up seat. There's 3 of them across the back deck. When not using as a seat, fold them down, transforms into an excellent casting platform. This boat is paired with a Yamaha 200 4-stroke outboard. Very reliable motor. They're excellent. You don't have to worry about too much issues going wrong with them. They're always going to get you to where you need to go and home safely. And then as we move forward to the center console, this one's paired with a Simrad Go 9 fish finder, Lenco trim tabs, infinity stereo, has the flip up upholstery seatings with the rocket launchers on the back, canvas T-top, 4 additional rod holders. There is 6 in total additional rod holders on the sides here. As we move forward to the front, as you can see, it does have a step-up casting deck. This offers extra storage here in the center, as well as 2 rod locking storage compartments, excellent for keeping your rods or extra tackle safe and secure. This one is paired with a fishing seat, has a backrest, keeps the back nice and feeling well throughout the whole day. Trolling motor mount in the front, anchor storage in the very front section. This one has a live well hooked up with an aeration system, so if you needed to have any bait, fish keep alive, by all means, we got it all taken care of. This is an excellent boat for any type of fishing, family orientation style boat. Offers a lot of amenities and can get you out on the water quickly. Give me a call if you want to know more about it, 850-819-9106. Thank you.